What's poppin'? It took me forever to make this video. There was just so many clips. Like, I actually have the video, I'm working on it right now, and I'm at 20 minutes and I still have 20 fish catches. So I don't know if I'll be able to cram it all into one video. All I do want to say is, shout out my boy Jeff. He came down visiting from, I'm due Rex Shorty right now and I got the tail out, but I'm at the crib. But anyway, my boy Jeff came all the way from Hawaii on leave. He's in the Army. He's the one who started me bass fishing, tournament fishing, and we went out there, got second place, 22 pounds or 21 pounds, something like that. And I did a fish count. We caught 40, I think it was 42 fish that day. So that's just unbelievable. I had a plan in mind. Let's go out there. I knew the grass was growing up, but it wasn't thick yet. They were on beds. I think it was 2-3 weeks ago before that. So I figured it was all over the place, right? But I stuck shallow. I threw a swim jig, 6 cents swim jig, 1/2 ounce. I tried to stay to that like shad type of presentation. I didn't get as many bites as I wanted to all day, but everybody I got on it was a keeper and it was a solid bite. He was just throwing a wacky rig all day and he was getting bites all day. That's why I don't know, Jeff, sorry, I don't know if I'll be able to get all your clips in there, but if you want them, just let me know. I'll send them to you. But yeah, man, stuck with our pattern. He came all the way out here on leave. He started me bass fishing and he caught him on a wacky rig, which was the bait that I started fishing with. Like, I would go to tournaments and throw it for 12 hours all day, knowing I wasn't catching nothing back then. But yeah, my arm's hurting. But yeah, that was that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all, I don't say it often, like, share, watch the whole thing. It was a banger. I don't even know if I'm gonna put any more clips on it. I might just clip it off at 20 and then just save the other clips for reels. I don't know. Yeah, 6 cents swim jig is the juice and a wacky rig, and that's all you need. And that's the thing about the res. Like, ooh, my arm is hurting again. That's the thing about the res though. Like, once you get what base they're on, I really don't know if you need two max 3 rods on your boat and you will catch fish all day. These fish are on patterns, and you fish here long enough, you just know, like, hey, this and this, and that's all I need. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. It's your boy Bass Ain't Easy, man. I'll catch y'all in the water.
That boy got the toes out. They got you, huh?
Dude, it's just way more comfortable.
Hey, it's only a matter of time before you start wearing the thongs.
I thought about getting some Jesus slippers or some grill masters.
Some Jesus slippers.
I haven't fished this spot all year.
For real?
Yeah. Go ahead, you good. You good. Good piece of ass. You say lines in. Say rods in. Alright, we're gonna put this down. I'll let you handle that then. Since you handling that. Try to get where I want to be at right quick with the goddamn, the good old motherfucking. I'm about to say, no way. Got one. Big, Jeff.
Shit, you got your fucking phone in the net. He's him. You leaving the net real quick?
Yeah, that's him.
Jim Jones.
Yo, what?
You on a swim jig?
Hell yeah. We just gotta find a big one before he do.
I'm all in the shit. Tank. Hey, Net putting some work in today.
What?
No. Oh, I got one.
Maybe?
I don't know. I'm stuck. I'm stuck on that tree. Oh, no, 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 no. He's still on there. He's still on there. Yep. Oh, that's a good one.
We'll bring him over here.
Trying. Shit. Hell yeah, huh?
Yeah, that'll help.
That'll help. Hell yeah.
Whew. Yeah, you almost lost him.
I was going through the struggle trying to get that over. He'll help.
Yeah.
You see that motherfucker? He got stuck in the tree. Then he came out. Then I had to get him over these trees.
That was tough. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Shit, whoever got the biggest biggins gonna win.
They netted it, so you know they needed it. I got it.
Oh shit. Come on, come on, come on. We need him. We need him, Jeff. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I ain't about to argue with you, bro. Please be a pig. Oh, my bad.
You good?
He was stuck on something though.
Yeah.
Bro, as soon as I put that on, instant bites. That's crazy.
Smaller profile.
Mm-hmm.
Ripped his fucking mouth off. Did.
Pink City. Soon as I put that on. Fucking.
Right. Yeah. That shit's stupid.
El Cinco. Right in it, my boy. Bro, you are fucking laying the wood. You can throw him back. It's just so fucking grassy. But it don't mean we in the wrong spot, for sure. Sound like a fucking toilet bowl in there. I got one, Jeff. Next, another pig. I think he's 14. Yeah. He look a little short, huh?
Might go 14. Oh no, probably 13.
You go. Come on, hey. Oh, he good.
Yeah, he good.
Let's get it. You going? You got him?
No, it's like.
You want to take a picture? You gotta take a picture, bro. Cause yeah, you know that grass, yeah, it usually come way out here. That grass usually come way out here. Both ate the fuck up right now. Yeah, let's do that real quick while you play in the trees. Let's actually plug the scope up. I'm over here talking about why it ain't working. He said, I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh shit. There we go. Look at him sitting up under there. You see him? Look at them. Look at those bass. Oh man. Oh Jeff. Oh Jeff. Yeah. Oh man. Oh Lord. My prayers have been answered. I think I'll do that though. Let's just do that. Let's do what, you know what I'm saying? Cause then at the end they're gonna be at the weigh-in talking about, and they can't stick it up. I'm gonna be like, we're gonna look at each other like, you did say that shit 100 times. That's how when Jeff Dango, bro, he came out here. He was like, bro, I want the chatterbait. Kept saying that shit, and I was like, bro, put the fucking chatterbait on. First cast, caught a 5. He ain't catch shit else on it, but shit. Shit, he got him one. But a shaky head, man. See what's going on, cause it's shaky head, wacky rig. I feel like they're like best friends, you know. You got that? You have me them clamps over there, bro? Appreciate it. I just gotta find a lighter rod to put it on. I guess you got top water on, so I ain't gonna fuck with it. I'm gonna just put it on this rod there. Little 14-pound test. A little lighter. I think when you first brought me out here, I started with a wacky wig, and I threw that bitch for 12 hours a day.
Remember when you caught that
That popper fish?
Yeah, that one on the popper?
He was like, calm down, calm down. Dude, I was fucking psyched.
Yeah, he was freaking out.
I was like, what do I do? Motherfucker, that fucking dink fucked my goddamn bait up.
I think that shit was like
5 pounds, my biggest fish. Well, my biggest fish out here now is like 6, but yeah, it was my PB for the longest. Now my PB out here is fucking 6, but
shit, that fish was like what? Wasn't that fish like a couple ounces off a big fish that tournament?
Yeah, that was back in the day, ain't it? It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
5 pounder a day, that ain't nothing but a good cold. That's why I was like, when I called out, I was like, yeah, he's good. Usually I'll be like, oh my God. But now it's like, man, boy, you need a fucking swamp, don't you?
Right?
Yeah, to even fucking think about it. But, like I said, we in the right spots, you know. We could be catching nothing, but we're not. Bruh, When they biting that shit though, it's like every cast, you know.
Yeah.
I got one. He running with it. Yeah, he's gonna keep Jeff. Stay there.
That's you keep, right?
You keep, yeah. You can scale him if you want to.
It's in his throat.
I ain't know you had it. I'm sitting here talking to you, talking about Big Cinco. Can you get it or you need these? Yeah.
Barely had him.
14.
I think he'll keep for sure.
Oh yeah, he
The
good.
last one.
That's what I really want to do though. Make sure we catch a limit for your first time being back here. That should be tight. Whether we win or not, I don't care. I got another one. Hell yeah, I think so. Yep. He little though. Well, these little ones is not playing, dude. Nah. Dude. And it's a heavy rod. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's weird. It's gonna be a good day. And all my people gonna graduate. Don't get no better than this. We're gonna come about 6 over here already. I got one other spot though, but it's a little different, but it's a lot of sticks on it. Cause if it was gonna rain, I was gonna be hot. But them dinks working, Jeff. Oh, shit. You can flip them. Hey. My boy out here getting to it, man. Yeah.
10 pounds. Yeah, where'd he swing my shit? I seen it come in the boat.
Yeah, he swung that motherfucker. That ain't it. That's a different one.
Huh?
That one's used. Huh, just put the back over there.
I'm gonna abuse this bitch right here.
No, go ahead, get your fresh one, man. So you don't fuck up the goddamn,
That's hard.
These little motherfuckers is active. We got a limit already if we fucking catch some keepers. But I figure that's gonna be the hard part today. Mm-hmm.
What won the last one?
Huh? I don't know. We didn't come. There we go, Dink City.
Gotta be a big one somewhere, right?
Yeah, there gotta be a big one up here somewhere. These mini-me's though. They scratching the itch, but what we talking about? Come here, come here. Bring him here, bring him here, bring him here. Oh shit!
The contributor.
Is that my dog right there? We need some big ones though. I think so. You can scale them. You look 14. Shit. Now you made me think I should have brought both my goddamn spinning rods. But, ooh, something just jumped over there too. You skip under them trees, you might get another one. Right here. Boy, they sucking that bitch down. You know, technical bassing. That's why I brought it out here. Boy said, 9 times out of 10, people sleep on it, but the wacky rig catches them in this transition phase. I don't know what it is, but it just gets them fired up. Bro, that nigga is a beast. That motherfucker. I'm surprised he don't go pro, but well, I got one. Oh my goodness.
Turn it up.
Guess I'll get to him. Nope. Probably a little bluegill, but he was, hey. That boy's down there got in trying to get him a piece. I got one. But it's just so soft for bite. Is he running with it? Yeah, he got it. I don't know, bro, but my reel is not catching up with my motherfucking rod. Maybe he's 14. What you think? My bad. I got a fucking bird's nest. He might keep.
He got smaller in the net.
He's
Fucking this, takes straight up, though.
he is fucking that thing up. Bro, my reel is like not catching up with my bait. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Huh?
Are you in the net?
That boy out here fucking, gosh, it's crazy. Oh shit, I got a pig. This a pig. Pig, Jeff. Watch your line. Pig. Ain't no pig, that's 3-piece though.
Yeah,
Ooh. Yeah.
look at that. Just had a pin, that's it.
Oh yeah. We got a young, we got 20 pounds.
Huh?
That's 20 pounds.
20 piece right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, came off the bank.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you be a damn fool. Please be big. Please be good. Oh, Jeff, come here. Bring him to me.
This half?
Yep. You good. Let him run. You good.
I got my drag straight.
Just don't let him flip. He's about to try to flip. I'm coming to you. Oh. Come on.
Hell yeah.
I just said it too.
That's a good one.
I said it'll happen eventually. He white too. What he doing up there? God. We just said that shit too. Dude, we get shit, we need 3 more good fish and we in the 20s because he might be about the same size as that other one, huh?
Yeah.
He about 3.
Yours might be a little bigger.
He look a different color too.
Yeah, like it comes from a different lake, right? Yeah.
I'll be out. 20.35. Probably realize that.
Hey, it's a lot of coolers behind me.
We saw that.
Yep, appreciate it.